So this is where we've been living, in the van. We came out here at the end of winter to stay on some of Robby's family's property to try and get jobs, which ended up being way harder than we thought, and I went very much out of my comfort zone with the places I applied to. I had told myself after 2020 that I would never work customer service again, but I didn't have many other options. After a few weeks of applying and going to interviews, we finally got jobs, and I just had to tell myself that would be good for me to start having more human interaction, and I would probably grow a lot as a person.
What happened?
Hi guys! Aww.
I'm scared they're gonna bite his head.
Oh. That's so nice.
Chill out. Oh, did you get that?
Yeah. Kind of fell over. Look at this, it's so yucky. Look at it. It's just like a tiny white speck. Oh, there it goes.
Skunk cabbage.
Come on, man. Good job.
So a typical day when Robby and I both work starts with us getting up very, very early because we're sharing my car, our jobs are a bit of a drive away, and Robby's job starts at 6. My shifts are at different times every day, but to save gas I end up just parking somewhere I feel safe to get some more sleep. Depending on how long I have until my shift, I'll usually take Benny for a walk. I actually really like the days that I have to spend hours hanging out in town in my car, because it reminds me of van life on the road. Wow. Holy crap. After our walk, I usually have some sort of chore, errand, or project that I want to work on. For instance, I really wanted to do a deep clean of my car, but to do that, I had to make room in the trunk on one of my days off, so I could put this cooler in there, as well as Robby's shoes. I also got this cute little box to put my entertainment stuff and snacks. Fifth try, finally got the corner. Anyone who actually does crochet is probably like, ooh, but I feel like if you've never done it before, this maybe looks good. I was really scared to go back to working life because I love living freely on the road, and a lot of the other jobs I've had were really miserable and made me feel like I was wasting my time away. But because I didn't only apply for the very low human interaction jobs I usually go for, I actually got a job where I'm taking care of plants and learning about gardening, which has been very fulfilling. And it actually has been inspiring me rather than exhausting me. So a lot of my time outside of work is spent doing things I love instead of dreading going to work.
You can jump that.
It dropped it. Oh, yours is still on the ground, man. Yum, yum, yum. Pinky, you don't even like them. Yours is on the ground right there.
That's a great shot. He's like looking up and prancing next to you.
Aww. Oh my god. Honey, you want the table? You can't have sandwich. Like this. Honey, did you really lose it? It's right there. Oh my gosh.
Drop
Oh, shit.
in there.
Aww. Oh, it's perfect. Thank you.
You got.
I have to remind myself that being on the road also has plenty of scary and stressful moments that led to me growing a lot mentally. And even though this lifestyle is going to be very different, in the long run, I know it's good for me to try new things and power through when times are hard and stressful. Our next step is probably going to be even more exciting and scary, which involves possibly no longer living full-time in the van for a bit.